Another way to run QC on your omic data object is correlation-based quality control. Choose your source data, which variables and observations to test. Name an output, and a cutoff. In this module, for each sample, its average correlation to other samples is compared to the set of correlations between all other samples excluding each sample. If a sample tends to have lower correlation with other samples relative to the mean, this metric will be negative. The value is then converted to an MAD score. By default, a cutoff of -5 is considered a fail. We can see that one sample, chip 22A, stands out. You can directly exclude this selection under the View controller. Then, a new analysis will be run on the remaining 23 samples. You can also directly visualize the correlation between samples under Microarray, Summarize, Pairwise Correlation. Choose your source data, output name, whether you want to group your samples in the display, and whether to calculate the comparisons, the correlations between groups. Again, the correlation of chip 22A compared to its replicates is much lower than with other chips in a set. If you don't specify a grouping, all pairwise comparisons will be made. Let's add a color bar to this heat map. Chip 22A in the 18-hour group of DBB treatment is an outlier.